guys, I will cover it and bring it to a boil. Then later I will come and check on it. So guys, this is it. It has come to a boil. So now I will reduce the heat to medium low. So this is it. So now leave it and let it cook, guys. So this is my large small onion. So I would like to be cooking. So I will add the salt. I will stir and I will still cover, and I like to cook together for some time, maybe like 5 minutes. So I will test and see if the ingredients, the spices, they are okay. Small salt, guys. You need salt. Together. Simmer for 5 minutes. At this point, guys, our lettuce beans is ready. So this is it, guys, how our lettuce beans look like.